How to log in Destiny credit card account. Hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you log into your Destiny credit card account. So let's get started. On this process, firstly you'll have to open any browser on your system, and after opening the browser on your system, in the source field you'll have to type for www.destinycard.com. So after you type that, you have to hit the enter on your system. Alright, so after you hit the enter, from there you'll be able to see this official website of Destiny. So from here you'll have to click on my account just at the top right corner of the screen. So simply click on it. Alright, so now on this page you'll be able to see a login section just at the right side of your screen. So simply from there you can log into your credit card account with the username and password there. So simply from there you'll have to give your username and password, and then you have to click on login button. So in such case, if you have not registered your account, you can as usual register your account by clicking on the link register your account. So if you have forgotten your password or username, you can as usual go with the options like forget your username or passwords, or in the another option you can also view the agreements of your Destiny card. So from here you can log into your Destiny credit card account. So this is the easiest and simplest method to log in with your Destiny credit card account. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.